Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MoneySuperMarket. Review my usage experience. MoneySuperMarket Review My Usage Experience offers comparison services for various financial products like insurance, loans, and credit cards. Its main purpose is to help users find the best deals by comparing offers from multiple providers. The target audience is anyone looking to save money on these financial products. Key features include a comprehensive search engine and detailed comparison tables. Their website provides details on the specific products they compare. It boasts ease of use, claiming pricing transparency with no hidden fees. They emphasize their vast network of providers, ensuring a wide range of options for users. Availability is nationwide, and you can easily check their website to see the current providers and products they offer. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using MoneySuperMarket. Getting started was a breeze. I simply entered my details and the type of product I was looking for, car insurance, in my case. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The comparison tables clearly highlighted key features and prices, making it easy to spot the best deals. The results were comprehensive, and I was able to quickly filter them based on my preferences. The search was fast and reliable, providing results almost instantly. I was really impressed by how clearly they laid out all the policy details. One minor drawback was the slightly overwhelming amount of information presented at first. It took me a moment to get used to navigating all the filter options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It saved me a considerable amount of time and likely money compared to manually searching each provider's website. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear and concise comparison tables. That's my overview of MoneySuperMarket. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.